The Ohio Lake Erie Commission celebrates 30 years, protecting, preserving, and promoting life on Lake Erie. The Ohio Lake Erie Commission was created in 1990 by House Bill 804. In 1992, the Commission office was opened, tasked with ensuring the coordination of federal, state, and local policies, programs, and priorities pertaining to Lake Erie for Ohio. The Commission convenes 6 state agencies, the state's representatives to the Great Lakes Protection Fund, and 5 public members appointed by the governor. For 3 decades, the Ohio Lake Erie Commission has worked to support its mission of preserving Lake Erie's natural resources by protecting the quality of its waters and ecosystems and promoting economic development of the region. The Ohio Lake Erie Commission continues today on meeting its mission to protect, restore, and promote Lake Erie. Visit lakeerie.ohio.gov for information about Commission meetings and Lake Erie programs.